This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most prominent of all Rhône Valley producers. Yes, a winery that is located in the Rhône Valley in the southern eastern part of France. Some of the most prominent wines, the most famous wines of Paul Jaboulet Ainé include the Hermitage wines, but also Crozes-Hermitage, Chateauneuf du Pape, Condrieu and Cornas. Of course, Paul Jaboulet wines are made predominantly from Syrah as far as red wines are concerned, and Marsanne and Roussanne for the white wines. The most famous wine, arguably, by Paul Jaboulet Ainé is going to be Hermitage La Chapelle, and also a much more humble Cotes du RHone wine that is called Parallel 45, which is very popular and found all around the world. So how do you go about pronouncing Domaine Paul Jaboulet Ainé? Paul Jaboulet, T is silent at Jaboulet, and then Ainé. Paul Jaboulet Ainé. Paul Jaboulet Ainé. If you like learning more about your vino, you found the right channel. Here are more videos that you should watch next. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.